We have all the technical know-how. Your uncle for multimedia books akese when it comes to sanitation. Now, so the principles are about a landfill sites now. You used to know. Someone say a fine. That is my concept. But there's one man I respect him so much. Now, one of the people me tipon for future say when it comes to the bono and a half and politics obetimi ate omani pa yo no. But unfortunately, sometimes me nim samanyo for no why also can bibi ni say o can bibi and ebe ma party for no say you are working or say you to do bia to me ebe nipa bi say ma edane omudam ebe nso petumi a eno nso timi dane omudam. But for the person I know, I wouldn't say to me ne bia e mana afanitrim. No, already I can't use that for him. But mama ka jo rabo ye mensa kosa amanyosem enye ne na ehya ase they practice democracy enche but enche sa amanyosem ene na ehya ase rabo ye mensa kosa I am member of parliament Matechuma South na wayo bia waye minister pen na wa deputize so pen the all transit be and say on can honorable for your own future for your own good refrain from those things. You are not known for that. Senun kwa ne beka mu aye popular in the party na na akomia nko bi anim no party ni akana na akomia anko obi anim no party ni ankana na akomia nko obi anim no party ni adia meka chew say honorable enkikaye ne nkikaye emfa hwe ma o ewiase so yo ho bema bebira yakugyaw ewiase so yo ho bema bebira yakugyaw enti you are not known for that. Enti anope me charitable and the way we are passionately epitu meaning o crash ya ye be crash hey the way why are desperate for power one say ya it will not augur well for you. To me dear obia petumi to me dear de especially what tasty powder now about oppositioner how a woman to be in opposition how a woman to be in opposition. You get to know how a city and the power the power a very sweet. Then so and unless I not pay good money. Power is very sweet, but if you are not careful and you don't handle things well, ebedru baby na sa de na open enunti yamonye oso no na akwa wie bad sa de na open enunti unse okoka ebem ya bo age oso no wan hwe ebe wie na wie bad. So the gentleman that we know you to be, the hard-working Ade Sakosa we know you to be. Ade Sakosa, I'm being honest with you, sir. I know the kind of person you are because I've talked to you on phone several times. Interview Abraham Rose Sunyan, Sompa Space FM, all those days. I know how hard-working, how gentle you are. Metepo for one of the people Buno and half region when it comes to politics obeti enim ewo obeti guy be efu enim enti saa nsensem ne saa nyoma ne yu firim ejano na be mo aye popular you're popular that the party people knows you already enyen senke kan ne be me hu wom menkase mekasa kasa but said your beka say we are passionately looking for power. If you crash out you hey oh be bra ya kuja o yo so anope mesere owura dia wo ye na we know you to be a gentleman, hardworking, influential, diplomatic. The future I expect from you. Jai Sansen Kikakikano. Yes, I had the best for you. You are not part into me and found Kwasa tangent. A little advice take it from your junior brother. I no pay me the amount. Honorable, what I remember. Once I no pay my very sober because I'm fair. Ti ode anope yam fa ne sa why all right now mama chia Kwame nwe na membra na otwe abo Kwame anope match
obeni meje ozo
empom ti say
obeni anye anye
weda no kra anye
we nya weda asem anye
na me che say weda no meka weather not necessarily say weather
okay.
But me kasa wa bebom intiminin so tiase and surprisingly obey nye weather
we
that either say mischief
no
and say diabolic
no
and say oh shed that to any ira
there be oveni nyasa anyasa
intimate
and you okay weather no o say unya njire mu ye mamenti ase say weather na wa bontin na o kan na say the weather surrounding why I am not well na o kan tina me ka say we nya weather asem but what chiri mu a obeni ma je atum
eti bi nya isa na de me show na ready I want to me fie
na me ti ase
emma betna ha we say the same thing that ya
yeah, me tiase.
I don't sure say.
Oh, there be emma there no there. Oh, if you ono on the reason tiase enye. Me so know me reason from different angle am dey ba. So it's not close to and that I cannot disclose on air to you and my listeners.
Exactly. Exactly. And the emba so nim the reason why do you think I say you close.
But say me no ye nwini bibia ho no ni mitrim na mini
exactly why I want to mean kasa ne de enko na de enko
that is ne de enko because one reason original so card your kai
but me ba senya o kai
we are not trying to justify but I'm saying say Emba was here. He spoke about the Ubisano, and I'm also speaking about the Ebisano. Until me say, maybe any different, maybe any different, meaning trim, or no trim.
Exactly.
I don't mean Cassini in a pet. I
know what you mean, Cassini in a pet.
Young Vancho on your
he who, then I guess. He who alleges.
I've not alleged it.
He who alleges.
What do you want me?
You are alleging, say, Emba dear no dear nyepe. And I'm just say he who alleges must prove. And it is the order of the day. And then I send a grown is it here. But you have been very diplomatic and charitable, say you can't disclose it on air. That is fair enough. That is fair enough. But said your man emphatically, like I say, they say you are privy to.
I'm a different, me a different. So why is it hard for you to understand?
Hard for me to understand.
Language
now using
why you want to drag the issue.
And I was okase. Ususu say emba dieno enya odieno. But oka emphatically say I
am emphatic because what I'm going through is not what Emba is going through. It may be a different, means to me a different. So what's the challenge?
Because this person I will not go into it because already what I say you can't say it on air. But things that we cannot say we shouldn't allege because so allege but more proof.
Minimum allege now kind of what have I alleged? What have I alleged?
So allege you say you are not well. obviously I call this I wouldn't me say me call this and I will not let
but once we need say me Kwame no beko but it is not the order of the day and it is not topic for discussion so you want to na
all right I'm pay yanko the most important thing. This is just by the way now because bibi cho say one of the things are etodo bia metena sedwen ho a menti ase nipa su ene ye ban ekwan a ye faso analyze things ekwan a ye faso tro nyoma eto ho nanso so bad delivery na be a problem for us. There have been so many write-ups when it comes to sanitation. The brains that have poured when it comes to air and sanitation. Air and sanitation. Now, no question pie woman say. Anope ko assembly bia kobusa. Ko environmental department kobusa. Ko check right up amount for actual on your sanitation. Na adwini ye adwuma wia na ne application be difficult for us. Enti yen problem aye face wa Ghana din nyina ubusa almost all the environmental engineers wo assembly na ade ba ko do mu nyina refer to. Our landfill site has become a problem for all of us. Baby ye nwura awie no baby ye de kwa kogu no ehwa be problem. Now the problem, the last time I went to a Zoom line for omo subsidiary company on site I was in charge for airline omo crowd. What they intend doing is say omo ba recycle eye enwura ewo honum na odu honma said you must say omunyoma. The last time I showed you separation baby arabes beko baby eye sabi sebia ebeko baby eye enyema ye betimi dia ye fertilizer ebeko enti wo hwe mo machines ni nyina ye wie pe. I think the whole of Ghana there were no Ashanti region I was a chiche busa. But currently this facility is not in fully operationalized. It has not been fully operationalized because of sikasem up to now yadebeba enipebi. Now okofan wasemba. Then the assembly and the ministry, I said you won't come on within few days. No more withdraw. The optics are also for your sanitation. Too much. The optics are also for your sanitation. Also. So we check the proper system. Young engineers need be drafted at what. Ekwanya ya faso ye landfill site no ye totally wrong. Per their writers per nyemo material good shelves so up to now ye apply that one. Okona kohwe said ye see ye landfill site na orebe ho. Bia ye gather ball and nyina akogunu. The process and the procedure was as mine also ye from because ye won kofo wako suku be cry have been sponsored ako other countries to learn from them, but we are still having problem. There is a lot of nations omunya sa problem with, but Ghana where we are going a lot of issues are here in the near future. Currently in various markets and in various households bia ka osa cha 2 days ye befa bola no say yentimi mfa. And I remember catch us the MC was crying adentia baby pra Omdu bola begu ana kwanye befa so atake ye bola abe issues. Now ya me do ko PZ ene edum ni mia ewo Dr. Mensamo Keyetia ne de keka ho. It was a point in time a plani dia ya preview. Nanso ni abo nwura na no egu baby faako efi say tricycle and the cars e was a befa bola no. Said that and people preaching my yehu say cars no asay no. I'm asking say cars ni say no yenye. And then are still some of these areas yehu die ehu. No kwasempa e wom ni say ye na bigger challenge our baby om de ball and ekwakugu. But ohwe adwenya ye dia ye enkrata adwenya ya propose nyama oko fielder na ye different thing. Eya na eme nwa. So I ask myself say as a man yentimi nya engineers or be design anyone now what design they will come together and apply those knowledge because if you go through how a proper land side feels ne etia baby o kra na omoye ne tse concessions enti ye two from sa ye dampugumwa na regular maintenance. The word is regular maintenance. But oya dey baba bedru baby no oya ho hwienye ye, then you cover that place, you move to the next concession, and also yama you cover that place, you move to the next concession. But yeah styler yeah no I don't know obeko ensuo I want me ni bi. Then you see this cars toilet cars here and twese be na ye jai agunso se enso mfanenko. So sa nyoma we nyira go ekwa na sa ba betuye. But as a man ministers akọ ministers aba, there have been a time ya who say sanitation who nti ya separately ministry no amana ba be jira ne na so. And so still when it comes to sanitation, a major problem emanating. Your attitude as timemufo ka ho. Nanso so in as much as I agree, say ye proper system e free nkwada no suku omuko no. Ya beba mu ntete a baby a ye di wura gu no ebe priority amaye no. Yan prioritize no. Yan kasa no as a mind how the way and manner you see a manage your sanitation is a big problem for us. So during the weekend I took the trouble to go around the metropolitan the metropole. I make sure Asukwa Stadium, all these places to check how you manage your sanitation. And then over your business communities in Israel, how we manage sanitation. Weekends cry there, ask him. When it comes to weekends, ni titru kwesi adano. Memene kwesi no. Aya na ask him. It looks like say every weekends and then we go for a coffee break. And so before Monday, say so this heaped sanitation ballers a one na actually into our gutters. Ya a time will come. If you be me no matter how volunteers like bus stop boys almost every day take at them. But because we don't have proper planning, we don't have a structured, a well planned, a well documented, well structured policy. At any time, yakwa na be nkosi, enkobesi, and people are cashing allegedly. People are cashing out of these things. So as a mind, we don't have it. when it comes to lay down proper sanitation system a ebebo nyina asifim. But this morning I'm challenging all of us, to regional ministers. It starts from you. Sanitation our ministry no at the bar say is it every first Saturday of the month or whatsoever now yamfa pra no ya pra enkosi sika agwofo different all over Ghana. MMDC is need different allegedly because so park committee no omuba na ye bia books na ye hwe ba bia ya akrono ni bi taifa aya ne hokam. So people are cashing out, but we are not seeing any results. Adentina yen nani yensa. Adentina yen nani yensa. But the one way now we keep doing the same thing, expecting a different results. And that is where my problem is. We keep doing the same thing, whilst I am expecting a different result. So how can we achieve what we want to achieve? Sadia na ye method na ye use no and one ye use and my results be hey aban baba ye better some ministers of sanitation sa policy na first Sunday bia first Saturday bia yempra na be connect sika bebre untie assembly ni bi dia etan so mu dia sanitation, and so still we are not getting any results. During the weekends, na mera huye. Beba wa kokra ketwa menene nam Adam. No na de me kwaro don ka chem say aha kwa de me hu hwe obubu asam areas for certain reasons I will not mention on here until my findings is done. Those areas cry they say anu ya dinche bibia. So we need to set up na yenya a clear-cut approach, yenya a proper approach to your sanitation. Esa dia ye ni nyina danko dada. And we are not going to see any result our sanitation anymore. I don't pay. This is my take. This is my take. Because what is coming, no, and yet right from so I'm around about me say all cry them dream reho. Shaba be a mighty mu diga. Now she born a gu on chengate wo mu a. Na me ask me who say. So a china beba na nsu ato na yira. Because say already that is nesino. Spillage na ifa na beko. Na be bia monte ye adwuma. Ifa na ba bet na ye adwuma. But yet ho ne ye fini gum. There be assembly for call to take it, but they don't see. And near ma a develop a bound. And it is dangerous for all of us. There should be a holistic approach to this. So as I am a yakran say, it's not like the MMDCs, they are not aware. And yes, assemblies they are aware. They are all aware. But oyeno kasa ne na ye de che adwuma ye be ye kasa no ye de yo wa ni abe rambo style bi ase ye bibi na amanfo for the optics for the camera na ye hu se ye bibi and wa no na ewu. And this one is not particular to the regional minister in Ashanti regional alone. May all over Ghana. Aya mo akohene nko a all over Ghana regional ministers nyina. It's not about mo akohene. All over Ghana, 16 regions in Ghana. Na hadie, hanie tinti, where they are was your car. And it's high timer. I also say ma optics ni free yadwin. Na ye pe amicable solution to some of these things. Esa emwa nyina. I am pay ma mentio stories no adoso.
Obeni ma me na asia no pay me na asia kwenya yi na afi so ye na ya tifo so asena ye nchia o mo so ma join yen no pay 93.1 Facebook and so 93.1 live Sompa FM and YouTube Sompa TV so mo join yen ya more special good morning Edo Masi and Obeni de wudi hon komono ade a meka se ehia yen na ebraso say if indeed you per se you're dealing with sanitation, you per se you're dealing with flooding, you per se you're sase na hodo no edayi na niema toye na oyene entoye empa. We must begin to handle some of these things with all seriousness, and we must be deliberate. The word deliberate in handling some of these issues are pose national threat at the mayen, because yeti wakra yabeti kumasi yabeti sunyane ini ate samra boy ene de keka ho bebia esi, and it is all because of your sanitation. No, we don't pay respect to your sanitation, no? And it is because we don't respect ahonidie sana mihuno ye njeda mu ahonidie boss you bu ahonidi a nka ya na montuo ne nioma nyina bededi sampa ye di ehuni na de ya de nioma egugu akwemu a kire se ahonidi ehia ye. And sanitation doesn't alone start with say your bola na ye tototo no na sefo Kwame. It starts with kwa your faso eputu structures edisisi ye memoha, because see a kasa ye na ye my sanitation system na di ni we say nsuo ba ebefa ha etumi afa enya fi bia o baabia enya bibia o baabia emu mfa baabia nkofa efi bi mehye baabi, because entumi enko nti ekona ekopema obunze na ebu afa ha na akosesa we afia ebi ade yakura no de asi baabi kama enam se flood nti na ebu na akofa no na akwa jani wo baabi. First of all, because your human activities, you know, your daily activities, I know eka ho and your sanitation na air poor. The intina make us and then me PCC and I'm tonsu na me no more. Me no wi ya me hwese baby a me de rubber na beto no eye esefata. Say gata mu na menyo say hefa o fichire baby obi anhwe no na magya to ho. Dear Diani, we are and our prayer, but we obesisa in real dear Kuguno, say ho you, say ho new, say ho sefato, say ho sem for two, Rokwako to a go. And it is because we don't have a mra, effective, a mra, you will say a efficient, a mra, a beka sampa, and on a guide nothing so etumia boa na yen daily and near my yen, you say, we say me for more. I'm running between Adi, and it is all because say I'm running so effective and efficient in Tino. So yeah, or Unibibia or yeah, the original say minimus you have been tisa same sia, me call the nice and what doom nafia quaco pacho. Ye say or mine on the to ballers and the good baby. They are tossing you know your baby. Yeah, these are containers, CM fired ballers, a hold on for Mamigum. Yeah, the Beko Kugumo. But say my wia why na eba befa tie ye ma wia obi amefa no emfra makakra efa na asese wia ni bi na edekọ ensuo kakra bi eto a obo se na eno nso sane enwira re ballers no nso na eno nso di kopie mu ewo babia enni ho kwanse kokopie. It is all because we are not serious sanitation no yet tackle as our mind. It is all because Abinanka ministry now what no yate, because it is just existing as a ministry for existing sake. But say you didn't go say Ministry of Sanitation utuana mo ya man budget a odidi juma na ne niema hodo a oyenso kire se ampa the ministry no air function, the ministry no di juma a kire se or existing no yehunesa. The one is better Ministry of Sanitation asa. But Ministry of Sanitation, you wear cities, you wear villages, you wear towns, you wear district, metropolitan, municipal, ahodwana. Nothing shows to say we have a ministry, a friend, sanitation ministry. or dealing or handle sanitation matters. Nothing shows. Because said ye nyoma esitie bia kyerɛ sɛ no kwasem ye nhyɛda ni a certain ministry or handle sa biaye ne sa enema no sisi a me no betumi asi from sisi a ne ada ye ho aka sɛ ye wa ahwa hanom sɛ ye fefa nkyɛn, and you will see say indeed the ministry doesn't exist on the grounds, doesn't exist in tackling sanitation issues, but it exists because of that portfolio ya creatia e da hokeke nti ye hu hwe and a flooding na sefo AC and a dime yesisi no tantan because the sanitation ministry eye adwuma obi sit down obi tu na mo bi na nsem fata they will come in and near catch us say your ministry no say ni na was handle me who say we wanam wa tu no e kwan a wo fa so no nsem fata, so we will not allow you. And yes aban no beka say ye ni adwuma yi as ministry and ayi nyina ye nam, so no clear cut plans a go wa ye beka say ye di etu anamo. Again, your drainages no Kwame, that is a hodo a ewo enketenkete o minim say chrono a developer ye hu say chrono developing no enema bi nso wo ho e wo say ye man expansion enema bi nso wo ho e wo say no nso ye develop no ye bie na ye hunu sampa chrono a developer along nipa no, because nipa no e grow no enema ye di gu akwemu am ye hunu sampa chrono ni oman e grow no ensunie. But here is the case oman no ni chrono to me grow na aba betra structures ne niema e wose ye di gu akwemu ye hunu sampa oman e bie, because nka ahwa emu ebie na etra no na kwan so emu bie na ni drainage system so no emu bie, but the omo keep on ball so na no so ye pegam na ye de niema gu akwemu a e kire se ampa ahwa e pega ahwa e develop. But chrono e pega eja niema na ye hia ye de beka ho am ye die to me hunu say chrono apega. And that is what we are seeing and experiencing as a country. Enti de bia no efa baako epega eja fa baako, de bia no efa baako enyini eja efa baako. Enti oba insisi so oba che say eni plan bia eno ane say eda ho na ekosa. And we are not disciplined also as our mind. Sepa will be anhwe me na mitu ana mo a me hunu se we dia nsem fatanti mitu ana mo papa da bi. Sepa ministry no exist fine obi anhwe da enhwe ne de, but ministry no tu da na mo se de se fata ne de wo so ye ne eno no ye no de da bi onye. Disa yatia no, disa yakana asem, disa yatwe na so, disa wa hunu se penimu bi e ba baby anase penimu bi e tu ana mo ansana bibi aka no na so we gina ne nan so na watena na kunya no so yie na wahwe ne surroundings ne say de oye no esefata before so be kwa yes an ema ne yie. And I strongly believe say that we don't reflect ye ntena say nhwe say de ye no ye enoa ne ye enam ne kwan mu eye papa yento aso ne enye ne saa anase yensisa yensa no ne emfa nsisa ye bi emfa emra, because we are gearing towards this, but what we are gearing towards, we are not getting the results as we want it. Nti yetna say reflecting, you hear say we go akwem. Ye hu ne sa ye man mu ha nso na ye kanya mesom so a ye som nyame yi pa. But there's a saying say cleanliness is next to godliness. And he say yes say ye jinyame sumtum afenso ye nkramofo so ye gia no sumtum, and sa say ni cut across religions ahodo nyina say wodi hunia na e kire sampa wɔnam ntu a wɔtu no nso ɛbɛn nyame na honidie no nkora nso ɛnhyɛ da nyɛ sɛ wosiesie fie na wɔyɛ nneɛma but wode nneɛma gu akwan mu a ɛyɛ clean na kyerɛ sɛ wosuro nyame wodi nyame nso akyi. Yeah, we have a lot to do because your politicians, your leaders, they see what is happening. A man for crew, a man for mine. So I hear Mufe. No mutu mirika ko hokoje ho certificate. O mutu mirika ko hokoje investment ho. O mutu mirika ko hokodi holidays ho. O mutu mirika ko ho. Say. Wo mo behuru eniema ba ko mienu bia. Esefata na efe wo ho nti on person no relate ewo eye ehodum but then se ba ase ye koye ne yanko hwehwe ase ye koye ne yanko tehwe ase ye koye ne yanko suahwe ye ba me asa ba betena ye dadam eno ne hayen aso man eno ne die enya aso man because yen shede ni plans bi e be ka se yanka san ya tena se e fix ni ma bi efiri ye ni ayankasa ye nindie mu ya dwene mu ye ntiase mu ye nhyeda nye biribi asa because the AC ni de atoto ye wo man mu ha kire say ye nhyeda ntnase en structure niema emfa niema nwu akwan mu o he June 3rd the ya esi ye flood year cause ye nke was by this time flood should be a thing of the past ya handle nothing so ye moving on. Dinka from there no be see die no the sin suo mu obi to bola e de guba bi na nsem fata obi si fuel station baby and nsem fata obi put up structure bi e wo baby a e sin suo kwamu a ye mpene because ya suabri bi ya free quantity de no because ya nya suade bi ya nya example bi setete no ye yeri sei amfa enti enne ye ntoa so nya sa mo ye ni meto ye. We are not learning, and it looks as if we are not ready to learn, and all that we are doing no shows to say we are lazy in thinking, we are lazy in implementing, we are lazy in creating and innovating new things. I remember a system all we are after no few kakra ye free system no me policies idea them any anamo we kwakutu all we are thinking about that local few that small cars that sikaka cry benya dey free you emu e dey abetu ye bottom but as to say the benya free money say ye did policies e dey go akonu and implement na ye effective and efficient na the resource e dey abele no be free ni kuro ni man so e be pie ye mayi mu a we hu sampa ye tu na mo se fata no we don't do that. And we have a lot to do. We have a lot to tackle. We need to set up. We need to think. We need to create. We need to invent. And we must face our challenge today. Once and for all. Once and for all. And yes, you have a experience in the comuna na emrefono and so ehunu yen say yen shada enwene. Enti and yentumi any solution to the problems we are facing. Yenwene sana mofunu be huwe yenwene emuntina daily the ACBA no ade kodie na esine no chena na asansi na de chena na asansi because we don't sit, we don't think, we don't plan, and we don't look for solutions. Penny. That's it.
All right. There is a course on this same sanitation. Now, sometimes we'll take some of the areas a month for a report a year said the sanitation, especially in Accra, and now solely with Makasa a year a contributing factor to. Said ye so yire no asiaba na yenhwe video we na yenhwe eye felt enwura egum egu sa video we hwe baby nso ni free na hwe ni nso nani na hwe baby at the pointer essay. There's this gentleman we were trying to get him. I think say moto ni ba ko ye ne dia. And he was giving an account on how it started. Any baby ababidru. In as much as say one of the contributing factor baby ayisisi ya adan so esie no bebre na so ye gates achoki bebre na miamia bebre gates achoki. But and then we've said a lot on the yes and teach, you know. One thing maybe say yehwe so the former Maslog boss Mami Sedinam Tamakulu. I think from last week anya kan ho asem mama no ebedru ye ni 15 days and all that. Na yankasa kapupa honorable hey bafuwa ada owu ni say omo minority sheriff dey that same dey nyene na meka ore ma yenche kakra na yembra na abedwafo abetena se mezumi into it bi echina be ne kwam tena se ye behwe mu yie
to put the name of the facility out for the following reasons. One, I did state that we would do an independent check to confirm the whereabouts of Madam Sedina Tamaklo. Indeed, we have done so. We can categorically state that until yesterday, the 24th of June, Madam Sedina Tamaklo was not in prison custody. And so from the 9th of June when she arrived to the 24th of June yesterday, she was not in prison custody. That is a matter of record. Again, she was only sent to prison custody, as I said, on the 24th of June, 15 clear days. And that was why the Minister for Interior could confidently come out yesterday. And so if you observe, following her return, the communication was by the Minister for Communication. And that had a lot of controversy. And that is why the media kept pressing. And yesterday, when she was admitted into prison custody, that was when the Minister for Interior came out. We can again confirm that she is in the female prison of a medium prison installation. But we are not going to put the name of the facility out. We are not going to put the name of the facility out for the following reasons. One, our intelligence is that she went in under protest because her assurance was that they were not going to have her go into prison custody and that they were going to work around the clock to have the decision overturned so that she will have her liberty. It is only because of the public pressure that the government has decided to deliver her into prison custody. Our intel is also that they have also assured her that whichever is earlier, be it the public pressure coming down or the decision of the court coming out, she will be made to go out. And so we do not want to put the name of the facility out just to prevent the situation where they will come out and say that because of her security they are moving her from the facility. We are keeping an eye on the situation and will continue to update the general public on this matter. But we can tell you that she is in prison custody now. She was admitted yesterday and that she has been given assurances. Another assurance she has been given is that they are going to work around the clock to have the decision overturned. I am a lawyer and I don't know how it is going to be done. The government is the only one that can say so, but this is the assurance they have given her. But we want to sound a word of caution to government. The Ghanaian people are watching us very closely as political class. They are tired of the way a manner we protect, or government protects their own when it comes to corruption and corruption-related cases. Ghanaians are tired. They can't have it anymore. We must be seen to be acting on corruption and not protecting our own. That has been the trend with this government since it assumed office. It filed nolli prosequa in cases in respect of cases which members of the NDC were standing trial, and now it is playing games with the conviction and the sentencing of Sedinam Tamaklo. Indeed, by preventing her from serving the prison term for the 15 days that she has been in Ghana, government has interfered with a lawful order of a court of competent jurisdiction, and that is contempt of court. And the government will only do that because Madam Sedinam Tamaklo is one of its own, and that has been the trend. That said, we want to state that we are going to keep an eye on the matter. We are going to keep an eye on the matter. The trend cannot be that anytime an NDC member falls foul of the law, the person is protected and the person is prevented from or secured from facing the law. We are keeping an eye on the matter. I cannot say it. She alone and her abettors, the persons that are aiding and abetting her, are the persons that can say it. I cannot say it. But what is certain is that she was not in prison custody. Again, let me say this. This is also a reminder. We are also conducting investigation into the circumstance of her appeal, because there are doubts of the timing of the appeal, and we are conducting investigations. The appeal records of the court, we are conducting investigations. We know that there are times when spaces are allowed for contingencies and miscellaneous situations, and we have records, and we are keeping our eye. We are keeping an eye. We want to make sure that we restore confidence into the political class. It cannot be that we are protecting corruption. We want to restore confidence in the Ghanaian public as far as the fight against corruption is concerned, and government should lead the way. So far, its record is abysmal. I did state that.
Okay, well articulated. We're articulating it very well. Na bafo ansoso wakaniye na anope yebedi unkobo na abedwafo atenase mamenfa Roman father drone mayen anope yembubo bi ansa ne akwa abonten kra anope yenum bi ansa ne akwa abonten enkwa abonten wa bra unyanum bie enti anope Roman father edrono father Martin seba Mr. Adam Kamfo dia mawo se ohun yo tichiti stroke anacho pressure diabetes yade aye kwankro ewo so a eno kra de hu na no odwane 0247919122 0247919122 drugstore, pharmacy shop, herbal shop. Udi onya do also pe Roman father ne drone edura onyare kra ansa no ano wo ba utim se umi ni strong pa anopai OCP Ghana Limited OCP adawmenti season ye cash out then ye cash out season yenya yedua to so de vegetables nya do antos moko yenya OCP fertilizer na friend 15 ana say OCP fertilizer na 10 ni na ye adwuma ba ko say 15 na yenso so a ye legumes no yenya TSP OCP TSP obisa say na nya mo ni ebromo eno so nya 15 ana 10 ebeba mana so doso wo se kwadwuma no ye ni ya nyame hira wom ne mfaso so kwadwuma na adidi agro free titi besi enai efi akese ehunu nya kwadwuma titi fi abrosan kwadwuma entoto na se kra wa anye ni ya na abeka se ne kwanim pomodian POCP fertilizer 0555 909437 0555 909437 and 0555 90 94 33 anopepe OCP fertilizer nefa edu juma sanso na RSYD Novigi studio studio abama mo a mo pese mo twa skit mo a mo ye movie mo a mo twa nwom video bia no ope studio state of the art facility adwuma program bi ope streaming ni nyina ye ho adwuma your creative director so mbe director wo your professional camera and videographers camera handlers videographers papa bi RSYD Novigi Studios and we are professionals Malam Abia Senkran Accra near First Kokroko Street. Then so fair baby will be a bepa near no abedinsa was 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and at 030 397 4822 030397482 RSYD Novigi Studios anope tago he ba Mr. Semen Kancho se mix nyoma ne kabom tago se bema de omema sem enimu kan tago he ba Mr. Erectile misfunction de eno woni ndi nkwanta atwam impotency oni ndi nkwanta amotwam low libido bema oni atenkan ba oni atenkan ohia tago he ba Mr. Infections ahodo ne how yes infection was so de nom tago heba Mr. na hwade drugstore pharmacy shop bia tago heba Mr. 0243 228 296 0243 228 afei Almighty 21st clinic a adwuma bia yade bia diabetes pressure hypertension stomach ulcer ti yade be na beto so bra your doctors are wabeni ewo nurses sonographers biochemists just then this department be a year adwuma gidigide or 21st clinic anope bread na yonhwew na sciatica na acho sciatica na edai ofuru sisi achi bepem na so wo se atwumi yade e ba wo so no so enti bomodian ne koso anu ntem e chel se sciatica aba no kese ni di so tie de kele kese de kele semte no kra ansa na yade na ba sciatica e yade boni ni so man ye okra na ko fensu so boni abrew anope 21st clinic over 15 branches ofre ya baby be oni amo aba 0249311311 0249311311 and 0540311311 manager Dan anope mama very good morning Dr. Thomas and Dr. Sinina anope mama very good morning Kumasi Ohwa overseas junction ye no Sompa FM na wo dan krom Sompa forward so ane en wo fom ene Alpha Radio ne benso obo ase council quarters court junction na be huen Accra or Tantra Hills anso na sunya teaching hospital kan sunya regional hospital Mados dan ye ne the first gate ene ne ndi hwanimu enkransa ye wo hotachiman ye Odean bank dan that denim the sciatica expert 21st clinic anope Sharif Atnase na Sharif ejinamu edi amade National Democratic Congress NDC anope Watnase abie ne files ne books ne mbesum ne manfo ewo Sompa akwan ne so na Sharif anope mache waso Mike ne de
ya Nkwantabisa
bibi ekoyi
bibia de dana kwam kama sene se ene sene simifata medenchia kese pa koma kwabre mensin krachi Honorable Joseph Amankwa Nuruddin enche the Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amakwene by on a working visit to Kwabre East. Now you will be shocked with the number of projects Honorable Joseph Amankwa Nuruddin ewo Kwabre Mansimu ha okoya sorry I was see a very nice edifice which is a school dey ma motofo from nursery to KG ewo honum ewo ya sorry ewo asenua ebra MP ni krom o see 6 classroom unit block and so ediamomu and so a challenge power certain portions of Kwabre East ye by were 2 over 150 boreholes across the length and breadth of Kwabre East just say ebeyama ensuo wonsem etimi agina braneama bibibia etimi akototin ediama Kwabre man ene ekura kakra etwa ye ho ahia enyina nanu adanso ni ewayim. One of our astute party persons ɛyɛ former chairman Awal Mohammed enwa bema eto fom ema enwa na ye gina so eye adoa emu odin edema no otwedi ampo Nyankopon hu ne mobo na onfa eye paradise encheno nti na obusaya na Opanyin Nkwantabisa na de wodo no
Mr. Wabaidie anope mesemani age 112 na ma de aba betudwane pa
yes
eno dwuma be na edi Nadmo 112 emergency lines.
Yeah, who said Nadmo 112 emergency lines? No, the air say.
Catch your boss on the way.
Yes, yes. Nadmo 112. No, the person you say wherever you find yourself, say ye obifie na eshi ensuyiribi na esi baby. Just dial that particular number.
Okay.
Ye beba wo na so ne aba beboa wo. Say ye DG. General Director General retired. Wo mafiase e kire diving skills. Say be ya yes. Say be ya e dru ba bi se fatase ye diving e ko suonim say be ya ye betimi anche when ya krono kwa ya gene kwa. Na no ye the one AI enso aba under Nadmo. Anything information pertaining Nadmo say bia ensuo to ensuyiri sia he for the was who ko gina be safe haven and the amawo abra that particular oyene no ye dey esie eno no ye na fire service for and aki etirapam ho ayedi say dwumadie no fire drills so ye available on that particular AI ya set it up no but dey ba ko ha ye me say ene Nadmo ye pese ye dani ye face ni kakra ni ko much into prevention than say ebe say oyene ni besi ansa na Nadmo aba be ye dey abeso wasene. So we have started a mass education on ye nuanom ye maamenom ye sisters nom ye brothers nom a wonu nso anto asebe meseremeka wonto ni bolan abra enso be mu ebe jem no sabra ni ekruche fie bola gina e de ba gugutem. So sometimes ayana me bisa me say wo hwe nsuo na gugotam no ekwa choku okuro na ja na ba betwa fa wo no so sai wo japade. So the question me bisa de bia no say wo japade sai a ade amad mo betimi ayama wa no say bepe ba bi kakra ma wa peche ye ya pe mattress bi dia ma wa mo wada so but wo japade na wa hwere no na bontimi nsim mawo na bontimi ntobi mawo. So the least and then the best thing to do, they say, you being an individual, no, protecting your property, no, protecting your property, no, it is very, very essential and important. Now, whether you call what a Juman Granoso will be a cotofie, and will Wakoto assassin will swim. I will sit down. And then I was in one Cassan Foundation. Now, what to know? I saw you know what to say, Bula. And see dino. Meanwhile, so to me before we told you now, the woman will be a man report. But in the police, if you see so quite the same woman idea, you better not make it a coin. You better works engineering department at Chiracoin. And today, I can say, yeah, for one day and see die. The moment anybody be fear says all this edumanano and tempano maya sunte na sawoni akoni yamra mi anim bedi if possible sa particular property no you be buofio amatememfo e ho atomo me da say
pa me say one of these days ya be pemu team no. Yeah. Na ya numa be fia na edi nkomo pa.
Yeah.
Very, very important.
Of a close waba.
You say about
to organize
about 20 any time.
Nebete.
Oh no, they will say yes.
Nkwantabisa.
Uboto mjila be.
Nebete. Ede shayin for oba fanasi be campaign wa. Ede Nadmo phone ti aneka. O fini fani. Ame say say de bia. Tell mama ni tell fani. Yeah. Kakawa ba de hey, your family. Can you say a tool? I can't buy me home. For me, but what about the sure. I think I was here bad now. You better good more. So, yeah, my for who made my power. You boy, party. Oh, but of a kind of fantastic communicator.
Oh, yes.
And I wish the way I shoot to not done a comma soon city. What to know according to the youth now. I think I was over here. Sure. But an opportunity to serve. All they say, at the end of the day, you can still allow the position.
Over, Marche.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So,
I'm to say,
Namigu should I am just also up or dim papa.
Namia, Hoya Pa, a Hoya dear.
For you come constituency, and I want to be an outrage to me, Baba Cato say. Yeah, picking nomination forms are be converting. Another Roma, you're converting last week now. You're balloting. Now, Moson for when you are get off a kilometer number 2. You're too sure. Why Anameda?
Number Muhammad Winnie and
whatever the very in the Muhammad.
Positive.
Yeah, I find you to go I'm going to be now. Mabda Ofurikom constituency massive. The son said, Nankotebisa, me started say me ye campaign. No na me see mono. The kind of reception party ma edi mame no. Me ni sodo do. Na ye me fedo do. Na me tawmwase papa. Son say, okay, electoral area by electoral area. Na Nankotebisa no Sunday 50 Saturday. Na me call Awoma so electoral area. The reception now almost electoral area for the man, near superb. A genuine and no Sunday, me got twice or a proud electoral area. Na me do honomo o sebo na ye introduce me so fa Rebecca sa na efe krakwa. If we ho me baba twice o do me electoral area. A horse na a reception na it was superb. Me wie na me ba akatago all my akatago me ba akatago so na dom honomo na eno se mama konya se me nkasa na o hwe dance ya party mana e difa me ho na eso ni dodo me wie me de call Ofurikrom East na a house squad na a chen kra enti me cause what the party masse wo arishemu ene nkwansha omo enya omumu ene sanya omo bomachidom no medo omo ase papa na masre omo sanya omo bomachidom ene arishemu omo wo memu no omo manyina and translate into votes nyame ya doma on the 11th Saturday be na wotwe na enkoso na masre ada electoral area na nyamba ho ne se nyame ya doma train no e ba bedu ho no mu next week na ya bane de need so ma ba beto manim na ma hwe so na ma to abade ma Duvo Abraham Cletus Adodona firm of Akle dan number 2 as Ofurikom constituency youth organizer niamfa ye nim de ye nyansa ye experience e ma boa e mabua no e wo constituency ni mu na ye ntimi mpaja constituency no e ma party kokodinku ni mu 2028
medase the minority Ade Abia to dwase Mame Sedinam Tamaklo omo checks a omo ye ne se 15 days mame ni bedru Ghana no ye nyamfa ne nko prison bia na omo sha ase kan asem we na enenemu a na no omo de omo be I think 3 days ago mbe press conference they to dwa enema omo hu anu nti ombetimi akase bibi koso a enkoye then omso mani da ho maso da ho nso a appeal na be kono the timing and everything omso calculate because omo smell ana omo hwe foul play bi ekoso there's something fishy ekoso o Mame Sedinam Tamaklo of a clout na sinche but this is coming from the minority ti Mame Shasefio
Medase na masa tiatiefo bi na ama me kwana makome constituency na me ncha koma me member of parliament of Ofurikom MP honorable Michael Akwasi Edu na machia party penifo nyina na Nkwantabisa ohwe ye Mame Sedinam ationu Tamaklo na ohwe ne nsensem yi time a ye tese US aban no ebe edreba bagana be so that in the bagana no me betre fide ya so kan say there are 3 possibilities you know man this from be here the son say the NDC has demonstrated say omo de omo nkrofo say ye tie bia mo bo omo nkrofo ho ban they are going to shield their people. na ɛho adanseɛ ɛyɛ ɔmo ba aban mu a ensɛm a ɔmo nkɔɔfo no mo gyina court na Ghana ban ɛde mo gyina court sɛ ɔmo nsɛnsɛm bi a na nhwɛmu no akɔpie court na court enya bu ɔmo fɔ yɛ. It's not the process was ongoing. Ɛna aban sisa baaye a ɔmo bɛyi ɔmo attorney general a ɔna yɛ aban ɛkɔɔdu poni kɛseɛ na mehwɛ anim sɛ nka the property na ɛnka aban ne party ne bɛyɛ ne sɛ mu nipa bi gyina court a mu akata mu nipa na ɛyɛ kɔɔdu boni a ɔyɛ attorney general ɛnka ebia evidence bi a mo a mo bɛto yɛ wɔ docket ni mu a ebia mo hwɛ ebetima ma nipa kɔ ho ate no tactically ka mo use evidence na ka mo case kwa nye holo na a court of competent jurisdiction emua sɛ saa mo nipa no ne ho asan me court yi ma san no na ka yɛ hu sɛ the judicial process has been fair and omo nam ho obi ebetima ka sɛ yɛ do mo court emma mo ho asan. But what did the NDC do? Omo ba ya ana omo nkɔfo omo gyina court ne di ka yewa qualified obekai Sagreme housing ayiro omo ba ya mo se ya sign bofo kese a lawyer for bofo nolly prosecute say asem no cramp no yen aban yen interested wa asem mu bia asem ho asem hia yen enti yen koso ni ye twa asem no so omo fam hu nkodi and also ha ewa atofo se obekai ambulance case and no podie na high court ba kompodi kan na somebody or the coin no na nsam no ya ahodo ba emienu miensa na court ba ko di kan san no ho enti asan ho se onye boni bia enti nka mienu na aka no enka mo masa evidence na mo de court ha court ba ko na fa nko ho na nka yan court ni clear no se ampampa no abari ni asem bia de tiana no ho asan na ko nam ho bia timi aka se he went through the judicial process and came out victorious. And also Uncle Basa, you attorney general Dr. Yumi say one also nolly prosecute. Assembly me interested bio nti fa hukodi masao. And wachi obakai yewa kwabrando for. Ono so the bank who sensem ni anonso attorney general ni aban say we nipa ne de yen toaso ankoso ni asem no. And also so nolly prosecute. Let us assign a call. Obakai Dr. Siama, I know ye Bank of Ghana governor. On also say someone there court. I'm not court to dear. Now you heard you say and ka court in bed dear akoma judgment. None can who sign here who say if you be in hono. And also so attorney general said nolly prosecute. Now no put here. You didn't nolly prosecute by and check and in answer. And you who say by body this a debe. Sa na by actually this say or no baba your governor. Na sa and send that so since any komu or your governor ye. Na your class and so a bed no and have a bono and the uncle nolly prosecute. Nan ye interested was any be it man Kwame by a governor of the Bank of Ghana. And all many issues are never court to a munko for mobile. Omo de nolly prosecute abeja wo enti saa enama we e ma menya adance ye se ye ma me said nam tabaklo mo de ne ba no omo ba ye symbolic ehi se yai enti omo de ba ye US aband ne ba ye no ye mi de akiri ase ma me prison ben ena ye de no ye den eko because na Ghana court e bua asem no a sentence no enti de ba eno ase de ne call prison na enka mramu shemu ko banka airport ho a nanka prison service for ehia no ka extradition process nka prison service for ehia no airport ho a enti plane mu na wo si ye na no nanka ye de ne call prison kura omo de ne be ko but ye hu me bi sa afudi ye hu ba bia ye maami ewo eyi penso court ba time wo maemu ama ruling as sentencing to a term of imprisonment. Na minority bi ani di akire sanse we eye amamwoni amamra ho sem di akire ana abekai ye nua Franklin Kujo ana eko hwiahwiaye se maami o hia ye so da hospital ben a ye ntimi mo hospital kwa maami ye den eda ho na se asemska se escalate ho na se ya wako pie mu se sa maami ne ba ye no. Now on that prison bia hospital almost wo yare odan so man tinyanka hospital oda ye busa or the okasa de ma ban government spokesperson kwacho for sufales honorable o se ono owo ado ko to prison no enye na dwuma so be hu ba bia ye do omoko a high profile case like an extradition process was so nim entienko busa prison service for ne security services no we may who say they were just trying to protect their own.
But why would they do that? Would they never end this for akase obia a competent court of jurisdiction na shese yemfani nkosie na ombe o magenzi o yemfani nko
the ntomba ya sa na say one omuano omumbu Ghana mra. Yes, now obu Ghana mra Ghana court aye court pa organ hanum afa process ni procedure mu abo obi ama obi judgment ruling say yan fan court to afiase a term of imprisonment na uye attorney general we ya ban na wan fa court na asam anya duma na we mu amamra na sa ero na ma betina o man no so.
Now exactly where attorney general doing say mamene ba the next process in co prison service
and the prison service when you a prison director and
what is the president.
Yes it's a American no say ya ban no and she say obehwe say sa process na dey go through and the media we say omumbu o man mra they toss be also so say they always want to show their people and okay evidence I mean mai omo a filing nolly prosecute against Ade ama omo aja omo na e ma wa dance here say omo no they are going to protect their people no matter what and no na ye nyina so amede ka asema no pay na empempe so ye duru me so nyane man this for say sanya be ya Ghana fo beje yen amamra tumu na e di eni de be ma ye mra ntino omo 3 pathways omo betini amama na file appeal available process betima ye obetima file appeal.
I think a decision.
Yes, a decision betima dey ateki and the mo fast akwana so obi be say you are going through the judicial process and now say ometimi file say court ni ruling no court number ruling no yan two ruling ni dey and there's also a legal process bi so dey hosa say ometima file a case against the ruling say that ruling should be quashed.
All right, people are saying say indeed say namo per se ye hu baby amame ne wa namo wa kwanya as minorities and as a Ghanaian say mo betwa RTI
and got bisa na ehu be hia say duru ho say ade eye aban wa sebie say wo ye no wo say minority for the bebe busa twa ho RTI as we be ka be kire accountability abamboni accountability. You should be able to come and tell the people. It should not go to a point where we have to request. Okay. Because this is a high profile matter.
Okay,
me wrap up no. And normal Kwame Nkwantabisa or bet me afile appeal. Or bet me afile a case to quash the ruling. And that last one so man penny Ghana mano to me say obi or deaf as be obey to presidential pardon. All these three pathways.
Presidential
just imagine.
I just don't know why you are. No, I'm only saying say these are three pathways that are available.
It is true.
Yeah,
that is true. They are options.
Yeah.
Sheriff.
Yeah, I'll say.
Mami is not human being than Obia.
Yes.
We are equal before the law.
Sure.
You can't on my constitution and this tim man party tim constitution.
Sure.
I didn't see.
Who say it to the Bia na mekase. Ye nya konya se ya. Sa ye tun futuro egu manfo no. We ought to desist from it. And then koma ye di ne eye obia ya bo no kwadu. Ye bo no kwadu wiye no. We di fo. Abra na onni kodua wimo o obi kroso ena sa kro na tabiri mami de na bre yese mami o krom na yatese nsense mese ne wadi ne wadwane abete ye de maade ayede abrem before say mami no ebe free krom ham na wo court on daily basis up until say court na ni ye di na sem na ama wo ko say won tu kwankwa brochibe mu ko he no yare. And this is a fact. You the case in absentia. You the case in abuabolo. And you table no de naba. You table mami no buy. You peja obi free baby sad no ba. And you preoccuped you di nipa no kotum. We should not create that impression. The first modus operandi ya jina should do obi kotum preoccuped one. Conviction wa ha na say no we ewo but ye wo emre bi ebo ma ho ban obabia ye de ne kwa kotum bia ye wo mra ebo no ho ban ye wo tester hodu a wo se ye man nipa ne ye make sure say wo fa furo anase etisen wo medical condition bi anase wo ni medical condition bia ano mu yes asset we nyina ye wi ye no ansem o mu ka nyina ne say maame no da hasipiti all the other maame no ko hasipiti no ayayare bi a wo maame no wo dada na asore eno na nam so am ye de maame no koto hefa hasipiti se yenhwe no yare ni yehwe no yare na wo to na ya satam no de nako na no ada yehwe no yare wiye ya de maame no akotwere aban ekukum. So why I stand me say, why should this be a subject matter? Me penya and me and a nolly prosecutor as if say and your NDC aban we kwan yet adia your friend nolly prosecutor. What would you say you be contradicting at the tail end of your submission say and your idea and your legal? When you say about me pardon mama no president was out to me no and your constitution my president said to me no and yes the same constitution no and the prerogative for the attorney general to decide a case he thinks say it should be null and void for that matter, it should be discontinued. And at that time a Delta Force foko jagu judge ni suma ni dwane ya mo ban no file no prosecutor no and no who so say I shall one case now mo file no prosecutor and the senior most minister bakatra ye say jeli I shall wanna and ye quota kwan ye jeli I shall wanna and sit down ye jeli I shall wanna galam say amna na ye tutumen katano and no who so say. So what I want to say, me say, and yet, and yet, politics of equalization, politics of how to vilify people for them to look say as a sabio adiana eseni adie bi sida. Mame na brani e dina samna na mame ni problem ho. Mame na sama ye kan wadi kan fale appeal di atu wada do. Awa mo kan ho asemo. So the point of it is say, wo baby awu ti sese no. Enye wo na wo baka kire NDC for say, ye na maame no ko appeal na maame no NDC ye no lawyer. Ne lawyer ye to mama. And am the lawyer ye feli so for so kwache. No, it is within her prerogative. It is within her right. Abaya bo ko adu wi anu abu ofo. Se boni say na wa ye wa di manfo sika, wa wi manfo sika. Enti kodam enfiedu. Meboa. Enti wo hwe wo pa lawyer for. No mo hwe wo case a ejina so ye daily wu na. No wo hwe na wo loop obi a wo betimi afade asane ho a. Anya honom na abafade asane ho. So why therefore should we make a case for it to look as if say ase eya NDC for na epe kumturu ase kore bi so se ebe ya de maami ni besi enti abaye den pa na Nkwantabisa ubetumi obi a ye jeli no ubetumi de na kwa akose baabi abra Ghana for wuru se enipa kura ye jeli no yamfa no nkotum. So we shouldn't be creating that impression. Now the woman say the NDC have said and will continue to remain robust. Say idea ye dream katasesene proye biano yansoso.
Now Sheriff, what minority was asking, simple. Maame no ehe fa na mo so ye ne sa say ya kan say screening nyina hospital ben ana maame ne da. What is the difficulty in this same way or say any back and forth?
No so the Ghana Police Hospital. No honum na order. They have said it. What was not the Ghana Police Hospital? But me problem as I say me be gina mu ne say wo ka say mu betimi afale RTI afẹ de o say RTI so ni fa so ye ni krom ha no mo party ni file RTI say o pesu ohunu eye say one Ghana city na da fuels no they abuse escalate. So what stopped them from filing an RTI to actually get to know the in total of this particular case? So the meme person me say they shouldn't create an impression say NDC person should see na area ka Victoria Hammer ka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Pamolo wa no wa mokromu wa nya dream make ta hye o wa se won no se nyakopo boa no ye politics no na $1 million obe jai politics ye pamo no abuga pele ye yankasi ye twotwo muncho abuga pele ye de ni ko gina sendi bia ma court se boa no. You understand? A big boy ni ya no aye jelly na ya wo party ana mo baba man pardon. Enti ano no kire say mo so kro no dwirim ne ketashe ne proye so ana. There be, but it is within the locus of the president of the day to decide a nipa do or no person or more pardon and Nkwantabisa ntisa. So we shouldn't come here painting a picture for it to look as if say ya person show them no for what? Ana won mani wo nipa cha abuga peli. Emoja namumu ewe nipa na wo no te say the wo abuga peli. So why should she be an exception? Why should she be an exception?
Is that the question there?
So I know me say you need any role or any idea or what whatsoever say young person mami be kwa them that you them dada eti bibia aka wo bia you no ani ni nyame ene na lawyer for ene kwan ya mu dwen so mbetimi afa so a obi betimi aboa ama na sanity anase obi betimi aboa na eye jail sentence e dia ma no yate so ye ni kro ma na ye jail agrada for 10 years our call appeal ya kote so ma no ye 1 year ene one na montini so di ni juma. So it is within her right. Thank you very much.
Great work. NDC no size President Mahama, you do all. Yakubu Dombote Offenso career. Akrokeri Jr. Tero watching live from Akrokeri. Keep it up. Regards to Honorable Desmond Afuakwa, incoming MP4 from now constituency from Junior Tero Shatter, the whole Ghana Akrokeri. And this is from Starboy. Watching you live and clear at Ahafumim Airport. Fantastic show by all standard. Keep it up. Greetings to Kwajo Space and my big boss, Ejasu Bonti, CEO of Mr. Wiseman Herba. Okay. Kofi Ketekre. Hi, I'm DJ Ketekre of Sankore. Fantim, please, you do a fantastic, great job. Okay, that's it. Na Yembra, PRC for so and China omode new tariff adjustment by na omode abetu so I think so lighting a 3.4 or so and then so na no during an interview session na PRC boss Dr. Eka say ohwe Ghana say you can ya ho odin betime gina so a you don't need less than $92 million a month and say gina so. And the people are also asking, say, the one and na woton. And the one operational cost in the can one san waton. And to woton say also ultimate at least a break evening. Cause so they operational cost, salary, wages, and salaries wage bill in our account. And it's all because say only $92 million to survive. Now at the end of the day, one about $92 million worth of power. na mo de beto so nyina ato so da ma calculate na ma ton aman e bedru bo so me na mo antima angege musika ana mo antimi an safeguard nyama wo sem safeguard a should that be transferred to a consumer say ubenya 2 million ti kwan bia wo so fa so nyanti also gi free e wo meanwhile there should be value for money dia wo ton dia wo no aton no eno wo sika na wo expect it. And if the utilities are not making profit, then what is the way forward for all of us? Because yen to keep you on say shifty buaba so and this so yen people will all pay the same bill. The way forward for us, I say, Sheriff Mami Brown.
I think say your energy sector no is a bane in the neck of each and every government one way or the other. There are some of these glimpses a bar a to the be honoma otnasekwa odwene ho a onhyeda enyamu entiase but ade bakwa e haye pa ye generate power na wie no na power no ye pia de power no akọ to the final consumer no. The amount of power that is lost, no, it is very, very, very huge. So at the end of the day, no, from generation to distribution, no, because at the end of the day, no, yakoto fuel and you did say bibia day ayekama. But at the end of the day, no, you lose a portion of the power because of distribution fluctuations and their echo. And one thing I mean really say, there should be a plan for the energy sector. I think say was a gun you focus on stabilize the plan. It should be the energy sector. Say beya aban beko aban beba ni ebetwa sika botini bi ato ho at any point in time. That particular energy sector no must be well kept. Say beya ebro bi beba beduru ye betimi aba develop akoduru the western world no. Say beya each and every time biano there would be a stabilized power. So imagine say if the government is supposed to pay $92 million, say beya ebeboa ama ye betumi ama sa ye nyinam kania sensemi agina brania. So for 12 months $92 million for 12 months ye saying infrastructural project sa sika botini we betumi aye ede aboa Ghana. But because of your transmission lines and some wo and the sound code about when you know to some bebre when you are so therefore from where I sit, this issue is not a political issue. It is something that it is in the form of a nationalistic form. And what's you share across board. You bet me first care about this particular issue. Because personally, and now you have the prepaid meters naba of Akle. Now we still are over catchers and not pay as you go. Then you come and tell us, say, pay as you go, no crown, still I'm not a new sikabotina mudisha generating power now. Then I say, and some no say, we said that Namuntia be papa. Because I didn't pay as you go. Me was scan a mito, Miniska diame de sum. It's a yet day now buying a sabo hoka. I think say going forward no your transmission lines no sound koniabano e was see share near 2-1 na mon near my energy sector digital brand because our energy sector digital brand that is where your industrial sector no so digital brand because industrial sector no they need 24/7 power supply. It's the best way.
Okay.
So going on forward, no, that particular sector must be earmarked. Say, each and every time, there should be a proper funding for that particular sector.
May I say, of clear.
Sharif said, with the political, but media a political demand. It sounds there is a political decision that must be taken to solve the problem. Because we don't have the capacity to solve the problem as PURC4 Ekano. It has to take a political decision to solve the problem. Many can transmission distribution losses once. Now, before 2017, now transmission and distribution loss what you see in 37%. Transmission loss on 37%. Nana Kwatebisa MPP buy a free so now you see the transmission and distribution loss now 37%, about 13.2%. Yeah. You see in Kenya no humana and humana Kenya namuno. I had that into say one Kenya no 100 kilowatts. The generation point now. All transmit air core substation kwano. Ube lose be 10 of the power now one. We could do substations no. Now they baba ye feel market distribution so and also another 10-15% to swear they shit. And the yes they procure new lines a high tech. I know the say in Kenya form one dodua era wo kwan mu no esote drastically. And no be na obaka containers ya and now no ya kade ba ya George Napo ebe bi akofie be twa ntro say ai containers na ira na che ohu ya ehun fere ni ho ni wo amepa ho achompo no. Those were the cables were high tech cables were the buy and then transformers any meters ya ready to a very high point enira nkanya ya no e bi nyira wo kwan. We did all of these things to further reduce the transmission and distribution losses. And what you back I said, you are the big Mahama, Tamano ECG penny, or more embarque on massive meter monitoring. Our Kumase, Accra, Takra, Denis cities, Akasaka, Sionimu, and Momuti or Monko for Gumontenso, Echo meters and na se for mo hwe se meters amount for bobo mu fie no illegal connection as for mu enimu ana e mo be kan ye say within 1 week mo start exercise no sika mo hwe ye enye sika ketwa enti no menya de make can say there's a political decision, but in the energy sector I have always maintained, and that is the position of the MPP, say it is always a financial issue. In the Debia, who say, and Kaniano, and now so near for not do so piano, it borders on finances. And no, and Papa PUIC for the country say, Bosumi Bia here $92 million. Natama Yankania de Ednaso, Nankwatebisa, it didn't occur today. In 2017, in fear what we are MPP Abantna Akunyaso, San Yakwada Brosa, because Yabano, let's be the pay or take agreement. And that near to $1 billion every year. Yakaya, George Naposa Abia, ASL was $750 million to the Mamen for Mediano, Mamen for John Napodiano. We were paying $750 million every year. Our power near take or pay agreement. There has always been financial issues at the energy sector. In fact, even in the advanced world, the second biggest cost to a budget energy sector cost, we defense budget free one more energy budget in the even all the advanced countries in the energy they are carried we cannot continue expending so much our energy sector and Kagana for and share the opinion say yeah the solar power air bar solar system no did 2,000 megawatts of power air bar Ghana for SDB NTSC. Now so still that vision still persists. And say Yanko Green. Okay. We cannot finance our energy
Thank you
sector.
very much. Remember 0548931931 0551931931. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Baby make a sound today. Hello, good morning. Oh, too bad. Too bad. 0548931931. 0551931931. Say me for of course I check body. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Nana.
Hello, good morning.
Nana. Kwanta
Yes, Junior.
Daddy. Where but you want that driver?
And I mean, Tom Kakra, poor dinner where chi.
Hello, Nana.
Aha. The vote to say.
Me ya do Nana now say.
Nyame do ma feel pa.
This my for papa. Office rather right.
Matia bra.
We were for Johnson as a pair. Mamicia who's bempa. Incoming chairman we share so any attempt my cooker I say. Na when we have for the Catan or say BBC the any question any politics. By on my we are politics with you. The BI and politics. You can never go away with that politics. And I was say yes to born a binary so no say. BBC AD or my into Ade Breno. I was say I managed to find the first order week material. I was back in the bay Ghana with my fun into my pressure. I was here with that together my crowd.
I was in Medasi. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. Kafra Fachami. Now, Boko. Nami Ado now, sir.
Some of the time I work emergency and seminar. And can we see them? And can we have our then some perform a track record? You might have a friend, if you know what to be a unit. Because president, some I can't say president, but I say our government not to promise again. All the cost of this one, did you have that we say charges and amount like no, and can they will on the canal and can you label? You have $29 million. Almost to call it Ashanti Regional Airport. What I say? That is what the neighbor every year. Almost somebody $29 million aircraft, but like because and the 20 kind of food is energy style. And can you learn so the money pension? Did you be any? They come on by the no one can tell you. Come on, you want the light. Now, that's our name, Croatia. Just any issue. We are best and Croatia.
Medasi Junior. Thank you, Junior Baumia. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Penny.
Yes, my boss.
Good.
Good.
And you the Ajumbani way, a boom, my day, Yana. That's it. I know penny for. Coming chairman, the regional Saman and Papa, Professor Visualabi, and I come secretary by some for. Now, I'm okay. When you are now pick a course in the Consider. Now, opening down and teach it at all. Set your own some part. No more to Makuma. You had come a modern story. One now. And in the motivator. But on mine, you want to most motive. Obi ba be kase na nature jo mun nimsa de na ye ba ba ye kama da maybe maybe say be no ma bi ti sompa na onye sompa ma ni koye se mi ne ya o kike ko so kai o ba ba change sompa ma ti ko ni na bia ma wo so na pa won pa ni fi su e sompa na so mi no ono so no ya me friend say no ti ti de bi no onye di ma yinti ko ma sompa ga be mu so ye di ma pa na kana fo mun tu ma jene na yakopon ya tuma
Mention me that see bebre Barbara Falcons na ensio na birthdays. Obi jina so. Oh, hello, good morning. Yes sir. Hey. Afaka me kwaja. Facha me.
Everything am.
Down where there?
Ofa. nyankopɔn yɛ deɛ aka deɛ amamo to ka basa amamo anyanya bɛ ɛsoso ama Ghanafoɔ ho bɛtɔ yɛn ɔfa ɛho kyerɛ yɛn yo ɛho kyerɛ yɛn pa bɛsɛ amamo we deɛ onyo ɛfankyɛ eka so onyo adafe amamo no deɛ asɛya practice apansam ɔfa wo nyabɛ ma ba kɔpɛ opeska gude lo we dimo kwada so haya ɔfa my fa fidie so fankyɛ mo don komati ma de no de no kokɔpia ono ne de ne ba Ashanti Regional Chairman kanso na ye lawyer twitwie Ashanti Regional Assistant Secretary ono so ko no post and ko eye ofori kroma eye some the young dynamic and vibrant Richard Nyako ka everyday offer ono so eba first vice chairman ofori krom order number 3 asiehwa offer ye no bi nkofo betimi aje power ma party no ne campaign mu the same nkofo we tie offer ebesere especially eye Richard Nyako first vice chairman for krom mano offer okay wo mu ne the Mahamani NDC oma feli offer oma feli toto na Ghana for him say amamo to kai na jomam esambe bu anta menni nita ele Ghana for bi ko ko mistake asa ko to mabam John Dramani Mahama so medie so bi mumta offer papa no abo entenye me wanwa say 2016 Ghana for ye to abatia no ya assistant president e dey pamo na ji papa ko tla opposition 8 years e dey dito actually Ghana for so my no position machine I said you nyansa and the machine lesson it me baba ye ni ye of ani enim sa fedie say o be se no koju to bible kan ye wose me me ma ye to sumi no ne de me be twuma so na we dia so twimo tentirente pa John Dramani Mahama eni na mamu fon tantan we e de ma yen of ade pa na de ma kan so baba ye watimi aye of me no ka say 24 hour economy na wife of automatic posting of Akufo-Addo 2016 all company was in a bar 3 SHS they buy a
man. Thank you very much. We have made your point. So happy birthday to Topia Teresa. So today is your birthday. You work at Ebuakwa Baptist Medical Center. May God Almighty continue to bless you and answer all your secret prayers. This is from Kobe. So Teresa, today is your birthday. Happy birthday, Teresa. Enjoy this wonderful day. And happy birthday to beautiful soul called Hilda from Accra. I pray for God's mercy and blessings over your life. So Hilda, enjoy this wonderful day, knowing that you are being loved and cherished by a lot. Happy birthday, Hilda. Happy birthday, Sonkoma Stephen Kweku, Dodona from Nana Kofi, the youth president of St. Anthony Catholic Church, Bebu. So today is your birthday, Presido. Happy birthday. Yes, sir. Yankopon say, oh, shout, no, no, kese. Kopim so beo kese pa. Happy birthday, Steve. And happy birthday to Persever Opoku. What a beautiful name. Opoku Ajimai. Bema Opoku Ajimai. Fantastic Opoku Ajimai. Glorious birthday to you. You're a student of Glorious Heaven Montessori, Ablikuma. Wishing you a fantastic birthday from your mom, Abena Sika at London and PK. So mommy loves you. Oh, your boga, but me, I'm sure Katina. Oh, a guy, what? Happy birthday, Opoku Ajimai. I'm sure. No, no, Kesi. Sanson and Okika Manu Shorty. Happy birthday to Eliana Adum Boating at Yamfo. She is 3 years old today from Inspector Prince Kofi Boating of Mankranso Accident Squad. So, Adum Boating, Eliana, happy birthday. Yami Enyo Kesi. Yami Mama Penyititi. Happy birthday to you. We every Inspector Prince Kofi Boating ho. Now happy birthday, so happy birthday, comma Pedri Abuachi Boating at Yamfo. You are 1 year old today from Inspector Prince Kofi Boating of Mankranso Accident Squad. I'll say happy birthday to you, Pedri Abuaji Boating. Nyaminyo kesi bebre, handsome gentle guy. Yeah, happy birthday. On that note, Amba Pani Team Natanasia, Omosum and so.
Bye bye. be na ya de mo no. Ka kalika yeso ina yesa.